Black holes are real, they exist, we observe them all the time, and not only do they exist, they shape the universe that we live in. They shape the evolution of our galaxy and the evolution of the universe as a whole. I'm Hakeem Oluseyi. I am an affiliated professor of physics and astronomy at George Mason University, and I sometimes describe myself as a science mercenary. I go from field to field solving problems, but they typically have to do with the universe and space. But I also develop technologies that allow us to study the universe and space. And oftentimes, those technologies spin off to the regular world. The basic building block of the universe is the galaxy, in the same way that the basic building block of the human body is the cell. There's a lake or a pond somewhere on Earth that's just packed tight with jellyfish, right? That's kind of how the universe is. It's a 3D volume, and it's packed tight with galaxies. Soon after Einstein formulated general relativity, black holes were discovered. But it turns out that there was a British scientist by the name of John Mitchell who had the idea that he called dark stars prior to Einstein's general relativity. And what he surmised is that you could make a star so big and increase the escape velocity such that light couldn't escape. Black holes are real, they exist, we observe them all the time in a variety of ways. And not only do they exist, they shape the universe that we live in. They shape the evolution of our galaxy and the evolution of the universe as a whole. The beautiful thing about black holes is that they're such a rich source of information. We've learned so much about the universe from studying black holes. Space, time, the very fundamental nature of reality. So it's called a black hole, but it's not a hole and it's not black. It's a volume of space where the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. For the entire duration of their lives, black holes grow. We don't know what happens inside the event horizon of a black hole. We can only speculate. There's been no observations. But the event horizon is a one-way valve. Matter goes in, light goes in, energy goes in, nothing comes out. Black hole evaporation notwithstanding, the universe has to get really, really, really old for black hole evaporation to start spitting stuff back out. It's pretty much a one-way trip. These black holes are like prisons. Our galaxy isn't the only one with a supermassive black hole. As far as we can tell, every galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center. If I were to speculate, is it possible that our existence here on planet Earth, or the existence of planet Earth itself, is due to the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy? It's very possible, if not likely. So if someone asks you about your parents, you can say, oh, I was born from a primordial fireball in a supermassive black hole.